Kazakhstan's capital will host the 7th Congress of Leaders of World and Traditional Religions in 2022. Representatives of 70 countries are expected to take part in it, reported Bulat Sashimbayev, the head of the Nursultan Nazarbayev Center for the Development of Interfaith and Intercivilization Dialogue. He noted that the exact date of the event is still unknown, but it will be determined in early October during the Secretariat of the Congress. It will be attended by spokespersons of different confessions from 20 countries.
5-6 октября состоится заседание рабочей группы и заседание 19-го секретариата съезда лидеров.
On October 5 and 6, a meeting of the Working Group and a meeting of the 19th Secretariat of the Congress of Leaders of World and Traditional Religions will take place in Nur-Sultan. We will hold them in a mixed format between offline and online because majority, namely 18 members of the Secretariat abroad, agreed to come to Nur-Sultan. 7 members of the Secretariat will take part online. The meeting will be chaired by Maulena Shimbayev, chairperson of the Senate, the upper house of the Kazakh parliament.
В онлайн-режиме. Секретариат заседания пройдет под руководством председателя Сената Республики, парламента Республики Казахстан Маулена Шимбаева.
Not only the date, but also the program, agenda, and regulations of the religious summit will be outlined during the upcoming meeting in Nur-Sultan. It is expected to touch on global issues and current challenges related to the pandemic. The Congress has been held in the capital of the country since 2003 in the role of a mediator and calling for cooperation between leaders of confessions. The number of participants is increasing every year along with the growth with its authority.